everyone! Every so often, we like to gather around our coffee table and do art together. And we like to call it
Creative Class.
So today, we're going to be making some spring theme art because spring is coming. So we're going to make something like this. It's a colorful collage background of magazine clippings. And we picked like a gardening theme, colorful flowers because of spring. And then you're going to draw a picture, a black and white picture, and paste it in the middle. So that's what we're going to make today. For this creative class, these are the materials you will need. Some cardboard or cardstock, or you can cut out a cereal box. Some blank white paper. Pencil and eraser, black markers, scissors, glue, and finally some magazines with bright colors, gardening magazines or fruit and seed catalogs. Those work really well. So we had a bunch of these flower and seed catalogs around the house, so we thought these would be suitable to use because they are bright and colorful. So the first step is to get the pages of them and rip them. You can rip them with your hands and just rip them into little bits. So that's what you do first. So let's start ripping.
That's fun.
Then you have a pile like that. And then you take each piece and you glue them and you start pasting it on your cardstock. So you can randomly place it all over and then you cover the entire area, and then you will end up with something like this. And that forms your background for this art piece. So this is what we came up with. All right, and let's move on to the next step. Okay?
Okay. Let's do it.
So the next step is to take a blank piece of paper and draw any picture you want, whatever you want. I was just gonna go with a spring theme picture, so you could draw something like a watering can or another flower or maybe a little bunny or a bird, any picture you want, all right? Once you draw your picture with the pencil, the next step is to go over it with a black marker. The next step is to cut out your drawing. After you cut out your black and white picture, then you paste it on your colorful collage background. So did you have fun, everybody?
Yes.
So let's show them our finished pieces.
Ta-da!
I did a flower.
I did a mama bird with a chick and 6 eggs, 1 broken, and they have musical notes and this. Don't forget to like this video
And subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Life with Leo and Pearl.
Bye-bye.
Bye.